Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. In case you don't remember, I'm Megan. This is Cody and little Saber here in his arms. So today's video is going to be a cloth diapering video. We've had a lot of people ask us lots of questions about them, just our family and friends. So we thought, hey, why not do a video and put it up online so everyone can see it and maybe some of your questions can be answered too. So, funny story, before Saber was born, I was 100% against cloth diapering. I thought it was gross, disgusting, would cost too much, would take too much time. Cody was actually the one that was like, let's give it a try. We put some cloth diapers on our registry. Well, he did. I was against it. We didn't end up getting any, and I kind of thought, good, we won't use them, he'll get over it, he'll move on, we'll just use disposables. So fast forward to when Saber arrived, we started using disposables. We used just the typical brands, Huggies, Pampers. We had no real problems. We had a couple blowouts with both pee and poo actually. So Cody was like, I'm going to order some disposables online just to give them a try. So we ordered a pack of 6 and he kind of thought, even if we just save on 6 diapers, even a week, we're saving some diapers and some cost. Again, I was totally against it, and I said, you'll be doing it all on your own. I'm having nothing to do with it. You can change all the cloth diapers. You can wash them all. And he said, okay, fine, that's no problem. I'll do it. So he ended up buying them. We got them, and lo and behold, we have a whole stack full. We have, I think, 27 now. And we are pretty much using all cloth diapers at this point. We still use disposables sometimes overnight just because it's easier. We don't have to rinse diapers or anything, and the indicator line is kind of helpful at this point. So we're going to show you the different brands that we have. They're all pretty similar. They're all from online. I think we got all of them online.
I think all of them. Amazon.
All of them we got from Amazon. They're a couple different brands, but all from Amazon. So the first set we got was a set of 6. They're actually really cute. They all have different designs. These ones say Be Strong on them. I don't know how well you can see that. But yeah, they're all really cute. They're cute colors. They also have plain colors. This one's brand is called Alva Baby. So this is the very first one we got, so we didn't know what to expect. Oh, I forgot to mention, they are all pocket diapers as well. So that just means they all have a pocket at the very back, and they all come with liners. So these liners here, I think, are microfiber. So you stuff them into the diaper, like so. And then it's pretty much good to go. So the good thing with these diapers is they are a one-size-fits-all. So I will actually unbutton them right now.
They're set as infants.
What was that?
They were set as infants.
Oh yeah, they were set to be the infant size, but right now, so this would be the largest size that they can go to. I think the weight limit is 8 pounds to 35 pounds, roughly anyway. So this would be like your biggest baby, I guess. So you can actually fold them up to be 3 different sizes, just using the bottom 3 rows of buttons. So open is biggest, bottom to middle is middle size, and bottom to top is smallest size, so newborns. So that's what we're on right now. So we have all of ours actually folded to newborns, so we don't have to do this step every time we do laundry. And then simply put the baby on like a regular diaper and button it up. So there's buttons to button the waistband, which is the top row, and then around the hips, which is the last or the middle row here, I suppose. And it just tightens around the waist and around the hips. So super easy. They clip really easy. They also overlap. If your baby's really, really small from the beginning, you can overlap. Sorry, we have our dogs here and they're barking currently. So that's the first brand we have. We have no real issues with them. They're all good. The second brand we got is Mama Koala. So again, super cute designs. These ones have cars with little animals in them. Same idea, pocket diaper. These ones actually came with bamboo inserts. So same thing, it's just a different material, different absorbencies, but we haven't had any issues with either of them. We figure maybe it's because Saber is still so little, so he's like, his poops and pees aren't big or very full. But again, we've had no blowouts with any of these, which is really nice. And he does seem to sit a little bit longer in these ones versus disposables before he gets 100%. Cranky, before he wants to be changed. So same idea, you stuff it. We have ours all folded to the newborn. Difference between these ones and the Alva Baby is just the placement of the buttons. So these ones are two vertical buttons. It's not so much on an angle, but same idea. It tightens around the waist and around the hips. I also find that these buttons snap a little easier, which I like. I don't know why I struggle with the Alva Baby buttons, as I'm struggling with these ones. But I just find that these ones clip a little bit easier. But other than that, they're basically the exact same. Oh, I forgot to mention also the outer shell of these is waterproof. So that's what stops any poop or pee from leaking through. But you need the insert to actually absorb all of the poop and pee. The liner itself won't keep it all in because there's nothing to absorb it. But it'll just sit in there and puddle up, I guess. The third batch of diapers we got, again, pocket diapers. These ones were all just plain colors.
A little cheaper, this company.
Yeah, these ones were a little cheaper. They actually, I think they came from China. I'm not even going to try and pronounce the brand, but I can try and zoom in. I know it's probably backwards for you guys, but that's the brand. I'm not even going to try and say it because I don't want to mess it up too much. But again, it's a pocket diaper. This pocket's a little smaller, but all the inserts that we have fit in them, we don't necessarily match them up with the proper insert. We just use whatever one we pull out kind of thing. These ones don't actually have a button for around the lower legs. Yeah. So it just buttons around the top. Again, we haven't had any problems, but we think maybe once Saber gets a little bit bigger and his pees are bigger, then we might have more of an issue. But right now we've had no problems whatsoever. So these ones are the other brand that we have. And then lastly, these are the ones we just bought. These ones are my favorite. Again, really cute designs. These ones are penguins. I find these ones to be softer on the inside. Not that it necessarily matters, but maybe it feels nicer for Saber, who knows. Again, pocket diaper. These ones came with bamboo inserts as well. And these ones also have both a hip clasp and a waist clasp. And again, we have it folded to be a newborn size. These ones I find to be a little bit more flexible, which I find is easier when we're putting them on Saber. They also have a little bit more of a stretch, which I like. There's been a few times when we do them up and I'm like, oh gosh, are these too tight? Is it going to hurt his waist? But these ones, I don't know, I just feel like they fit them a little bit better. So that's why I like these ones the best. So these are them all open. And I will show you too. I always thought that they were going to stain and be really gross after. This one's been used a few times. These are our newest ones, so they haven't been used all that much, but there's zero stains whatsoever. But I will show you the ones that we've had from the beginning. And again, there's really no stains. There's a little bit, I don't know if the camera will even pick it up. It's clean, it's just a stain at this point. So again, I thought it would be gross, but it's really not.
Well, right now, as you're breastfeeding.
Yeah, so because Saber is solely breastfed right now, so his poop is water soluble. So that's an important piece to mention. Once Saber's done with his diaper, once we take it off, really you don't even need to rinse it off. There's nothing to scrape off because his poop is so watery at this point. And because it's water soluble, you can throw it right into the washing machine and it completely takes care of it all. Once we introduce either formula or actual food, then we'll have to rinse it off into the toilet. We do currently have a
hose in our laundry room sink.
Yeah, so there's a hose on our laundry room sink that we could use to spray off and rinse these first, which sometimes we do. If they're really like big poops, then we will rinse them off just to avoid any major stains. But again, it really doesn't matter. It's a poop, it's a diaper. No one's looking at the inside of a diaper, right? So that's how we do that. So like I said, we weren't going to cloth diaper from the beginning. So we just got a regular diaper genie from our baby shower. It's a Babula brand steel diaper pail. So what we really liked about it is because it's steel, it really keeps the smell in, and it also has like a double drop system. So you open, put the diaper, close, and then push a button and it falls. So that was going to be for our regular diapers, but now we're using it for the cloth diapers. So we just bought like a wash bag. It's see-through, it's like netting. So we fit this into the diaper genie, and once it's full, we take it out and we dump this right into the wash and we wash the bag with it. It does the trick. It doesn't smell whatsoever. I find that these diapers don't really smell, even when Saber's pooped, like we'll smell him to see if he's pooped. It's really hard to tell. I think it's because they're so thick maybe, or I don't know if it's the material, but it's really nice. It's good. So the diaper pail doesn't smell at all. We seem to do laundry every 2 to 3 days. It's not necessarily that we've run out of diapers at that point, but we know that like within the day we'll run out, so we don't want to have 0 diapers. But like I said, we do use disposables sometimes at night, and we have extras if that ever did happen. So that's the diapers. Also, we started this a little bit later, but we ended up making our own baby wipes as well. So we just took a pack of baby washcloths, soft little ones, and an old wipes container. This one has some in it right now. And so we just take the cloths, put them in here, we put some water, cover them with water. We add a little bit of Dr. Bronner's baby soap shampoo, mix it around, and then we'll just drip them out as much as we can kind of into the sink, and then just leave them all in here, and this is how we use them. But we actually only have one in here at the moment, but so yeah, we just pull from here. So that way when we change the diaper, we give Saber a wipe, and then we just stick the wipe right in the diaper, roll it up, and throw it in the diaper pail, and that way it gets washed all together. I will also mention that because these are pocket diapers, you essentially are supposed to take the liner out before washing. That way it all gets washed clean and properly. There's been a couple times where we've left some in and they've fallen out on their own, which is nice because then they get completely clean and we don't have to worry about it. I wouldn't say to intentionally always leave them because they may not fall out, they may not clean properly, they may just end up bunched up inside of the diaper, and that way when you dry them, they don't dry properly. So it's best to just pull it out. It's nice too because it's right at the back, so it's not like you're touching the middle, you're not touching any poop or pee. You're just pulling out and throwing it into the pail or directly into the washer. So that's all for those. These are just the diapers actually all folded up, the different brands. They all look really, really similar. Again, they're all really cute. We did get more of a masculine theme just because Saber's a boy, but I mean, you could consider these gender neutral as well. We actually did the brand that is the same as this one. We got, I think, what, a 5-pack? Mm-hmm. And we got pink and purple as well. We don't really care. We're going to use them because it really doesn't matter. It's just a diaper. Boys can wear pink. They can wear purple. It's not a big deal. But yeah, really cute designs. They're actually relatively affordable. The most expensive I think we got was what, like $60 for 6. So I mean, it's $10 a diaper, but essentially we can use these until he's potty trained, which is lovely. We've read different reviews and no one has said that they've thinned out or become any less good, I guess. So we're essentially going to use these until Saber's potty trained, would hopefully won't take too long, but who knows. But yeah, so that's good. Also, we've also heard that you can use them as swim diapers if you just take the liner out, because they're waterproof. So that's an added bonus. But yeah, I think that's everything. Is there anything you can think of?
Nope, that's our cloth diapering.
I mean, and like realistically, if you're spending $40 on a package or a box of disposable diapers every week, every couple weeks, you're easily getting your money's worth with these, because we've now spent, I don't know, $150, $200, and we're pretty much done now, especially because we're making our own wipes as well. The one thing I will say, we probably will be bringing our own, or bringing disposable wipes when we go out, just because I don't know what we would care. We're not going to bring this whole box with us unless we make another box to bring with us. But
as well as we do have a wet bag in our
cloth diapering. Yeah. So if you're using cloth diapers and you're leaving and going out and on the go, it's good to have a wet bag. So it's essentially just a bag that's made of the same material, and that way you can put the soiled diapers in, so you don't have to put them into your diaper bag or whatever you're using to carry your belongings in. It keeps the smell in really well. We have a small one that holds about 5 diapers. We don't ever leave the house for that long, and if we did, then hopefully we have access to laundry or something, but we're not going to be using 5 diapers on one outing for the most part. They do have bigger ones. They also have bags with 2 pockets, so you could put like the pee diapers in the front pocket and the poop diapers in the back. That way they're separated. Again, it really doesn't matter because it's going to be peed on or pooped on at some point, so it really doesn't matter if they're put together. So that's our video for cloth diapering. And if you have any questions, just feel free to leave them below. We will answer them to the best of our ability. We're by no means pros or saying you have to cloth diaper. We know it's not for everyone. I thought it wasn't for me. I thought it wasn't for us, but it actually works pretty well. It might change once Saber's poops become bigger and yuckier and smellier. But right now, because it's just water, it's super easy. So maybe once he starts to eat regular food, we can revisit this video and maybe give you some updates about how it's going. But so far, I'd say if you're willing, give it a try. It might work out perfect for you, and if not, it's not the end of the world. Using disposables isn't necessarily a bad thing. So like I said, any questions, drop them below. We hope to be making videos every week.
Yeah.
We're going to try to do them every week. So if you have anything that you want us to make videos on, feel free to, again, leave a comment below and we'll try and do that for you. And subscribe and like so you can see whatever videos we put out. All right, we'll see you soon.
Have a good day.
Bye.